Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. If you can hear the rain, it's because of where I'm filming. It's just the rain's really loud. Anyway, Glossybox for November. On my nails, if you're wondering, is an Arders Nails mystery polish, so it doesn't have a name, but it's a beautiful multi-chrome. So yeah, I love it. So let's see what's inside the box. Oh yeah, I heard that there was a Huda Beauty item, and there's a sneak peek for next month. Is a Shimmer Roll iridescent highlighter. I'm overflowing with highlighters and I've never used them. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Okay, so first thing I can see is a Chloe perfume, Sublime Powdery Rose Feminine Natural Chic. Oh, and it's a spray. Fantastic. Oh, actually, yeah, that smells lovely. I really like that. There is here a cocoa butter, a Palmer's cocoa butter. You know, my skin has been so dry this month, so this will be really handy. Relieves rough, dry skin, so I'm going to keep this in my handbag. Yeah, it's more of a kind of buttery formula. That's great. It's exactly what I need. Palmer's cocoa butter with vitamin E. And this retails for, it's a deluxe mini, 30 grams, and it's worth £1.99. This is a palette, Style London, and it's called the Eton eyeshadow palette. Pocket size, cruelty-free palette with endless possibilities for going out on the town or warming up your day look this season. Oh, actually, there's some really nice shades there. Let's try this middle one. My nails are getting too long. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice shimmer on there. Try one more. Let me try this brown one here. Ooh. Yeah, very nice. I like that kind of metallic look. So I will definitely give that a try. Eyeshadow palette. And this retails for £9.99. And oh my god, what is this? Caviar serum. This is... oh, it's a hair care product. Okay, so it's a lightweight serum used on wet or dry hair to reduce frizz and prevent flyaways for a good hair day. Apply a few drops and work it through your hair. If it doesn't work for me, it will certainly work for Stuart. He does quite like decent hair products, so I'll give that a go. 2 to 5 pumps in the palm of your hand. I like the packaging, and this is worth, it's again a deluxe mini, and it's worth £6.25. So this is Microderm Regenerator, and this is a 2-in-1 cleanser, and it's got these microdermabrasion crystals. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, see that there? Those little blue bits there. Doesn't feel too rough, so that's quite nice. And yeah, it's a 2-in-1 cleanser, but so I guess it's a kind of exfoliating cleanser. And this is another deluxe mini, 30 millilitres, and it retails at £6.50. So I'll definitely give that a go. I always like a decent skincare product. And finally, we have the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, and this is called Venus. Let's have a look. I do like that shade. Yeah, That's actually really pretty. I'm going to give that a go right now. So I really like the packaging, I like the shade, it applied really well, it's nice and buttery, and yeah, I'm actually really pleased. I've not got any Huda Beauty, so I'm actually quite pleased that I've got an item now from this brand. So that's Huda Beauty, the Style London palette. Oh, by the way, the Huda Beauty, and this retails for £18, that's quite expensive, so I'm glad I've got it in a glossy box. The serum, this is great stuff for this time of year. The cocoa butter, the microderm cleanser, and this lovely perfume. I really do like the scent, so I'm actually quite happy. A mixture between skincare and makeup products that I will definitely use. Let me know if you got this month's glossy box. Are you happy with the content? I'm happy to continue. I'm glad I'm back with Glossybox. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!